choo-choo, wait, what's that sound? Train is spinning all around. Left or right, no one knows. Oops, the train forgot to go. Train was happy, full of cheer. Next stop is, I was just here. Driver checks the map again. Oh no, I forgot it then. Choo-choo, where did it go? Fast or slow, nobody knows. Tracks are long, signals bright, but train is confused tonight.
Oh no!
Train goes left, oops, not there. Train goes right, I swear I care. It stops at zoo, then candy shop. Wait, is this my final stop? Choo-choo, silly ride. Train is lost but full of pride. Wheels are turning round and round. No right station can be found. Monkey says I know the way, but he points the other way. Elephant tries with big loud sound, but train goes spinning round and round. Help, help, guide the train through sunshine and through rain. Lost but laughing, what a scene. Funniest ride you've ever seen. Train now thinks I'm on vacation. Stops at beach and starts a celebration. Passengers shout, we need to go. Train says, wait, I don't know. Choo-choo, silly brain. Train forgot its own lane. Beep, beep, laugh and cheer. This confusion brings us near. Little bird flies in the sky, shows the train the right way. High, follow me, don't be late. Train says, oh, that is great. Choo-choo, back on track. No more turning left or right. All aboard, now we go to the station nice and slow. Choo-choo, now we know. Train remembers where to go. Clap your hands and sing along. Lost train turned into a song.
Oh no!
Is it an animal that's moving? I can't tell. We should.
La 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 la. Brush, 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 here we are. Do 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 do, morning fun. Her baby Dina wakes up and runs. Oh no! Oh oh oh, what do I see? Dirty teeth. Oh no, for me. Ah ah ah, not so bright. disaster. Fix it quick, go faster, faster. Four little dinos looking sad, Chad. That big bite was really bad. Cake is messy on the floor. What can we do? We need some more. Don't worry, dinos, it's okay. Let's clean up and start the play.
We can still have fun. Yes, let's share what's left.
Three little dinos grab some cream. Hot fun, let's rebuild the birthday dream. One dino slip, oh what a scene. Cream went splat on the screen. Oh no, sticky party fun. Clean it up, job not done. Two little dinos fixing fast. Found this cake disaster won't last. They add some berries, red and sweet, but now the cake is looking neat. Oh, build it up, make it right. Birthday cake is shining bright.
We could rebuild it. Yay! Hooray!
One little dino proud and glad. His birthday turned from good to bad, but friends all helped and smiled so wide. Word now they dance side by side. Cake is ready, candles glow. Happy dinos in a row. Make a wish, they all